Beyond the crowded cities and busy highways of modern civilization lies another world. A world shaped not by humans, but by nature itself.
A world filled with hidden mountains, untouched forests, crystal-clear rivers, glowing deserts, frozen landscapes, and remote islands few people will ever see. These are the unseen natural wonders of our planet.
Places so beautiful and extraordinary that they almost seem unreal.
From the deepest jungles of Brazil to the frozen wilderness of Iceland, Earth continues to hide breathtaking landscapes waiting to be discovered.
As the first light of dawn touches the mountains of New Zealand, golden sunlight slowly spreads across vast valleys covered in mist. Towering cliffs rise beside crystal blue lakes while waterfalls crash endlessly into hidden forests below.
In these remote regions, nature remains almost untouched.
The air is pure.
The rivers flow freely.
And silence itself becomes part of the landscape.
Sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor beneath enormous trees that have stood for centuries.
The Amazon is home to one of the richest ecosystems on Earth.
Millions of species live within this rainforest, many still undiscovered by science.
And jaguars move silently through the shadows.
Every part of this forest is connected in a delicate balance shaped over millions of years.
But beauty can also emerge in the harshest environments. At sunrise, the desert transforms into a sea of glowing orange and gold.
Wind reshapes the dunes every day, creating patterns that appear almost artistic from above.
Despite extreme heat and almost no rainfall, life survives here. Desert plants store precious water deep within their roots.
And sometimes, the most beautiful places are hidden beneath the ocean itself.
Off the coast of Australia lies the magnificent Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system on Earth. Seen from above, the reef appears as a giant living artwork stretching across turquoise waters.
But beneath the surface lies an even more astonishing world.
Giant manta rays soar silently through the ocean. And during migration season, humpback whales travel thousands of kilometers across these waters. The ocean remains one of the least explored regions of Earth. Even today, scientists continue discovering new marine species hidden within the depths. The Northern Lights, one of Earth's most extraordinary natural phenomena.
For centuries, ancient cultures believed these lights were messages from the heavens. In the remote islands of Indonesia, volcanic mountains rise above tropical forests and hidden beaches.
Here, Earth's power can still be seen shaping the landscape.
Some volcanoes remain active, releasing smoke and steam into the atmosphere while creating fertile land around them. Rare wildlife survives in isolated habitats.
And ancient traditions continue within small communities surrounded by nature. Deep within the mountains of China, enormous stone pillars rise through thick mist like scenes from another planet. These towering rock formations inspired landscapes seen in famous fantasy films, yet they existed long before modern cinema. Nature itself created these masterpieces slowly over millions of years through erosion, wind, and time. In Canada, vast forests stretch across enormous wilderness regions untouched by urban development.
Lakes reflect entire mountain ranges like giant mirrors.
Every season transforms the landscape completely.
And spring brings life back to the wilderness once again. Even storms can create extraordinary beauty.
Without water, life itself could not survive.
Across the planet, nature works as one connected system. Mountains influence weather.
Forests help regulate climate. Oceans produce oxygen and absorb heat from the atmosphere.
Every ecosystem plays a role in maintaining balance on Earth. Yet many of these beautiful places face growing threats.
Deforestation, pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction continue to impact ecosystems worldwide.
Wild animals lose habitats once protected by remote wilderness.
Some landscapes that exist today may change dramatically within future generations. Because of this, conservation has become more important than ever before.
Sustainable tourism encourages people to appreciate nature while reducing environmental harm.
Protecting these places is not only about preserving beauty. It is about protecting the future of life on Earth itself. From space, Earth appears as one connected living world filled with extraordinary diversity.
And despite everything humanity has built, the natural world still remains the greatest artist of all.
The unseen beauty of Earth reminds us that there are still places beyond human noise where nature continues to exist in its purest form.
Places where rivers still flow untouched.
Where forests still breathe freely. And where silence still belongs to the wilderness.
As the sun slowly sets across the horizon, golden light spreads across mountains and oceans one final time. The world grows quiet. And nature continues its endless story, beautiful, powerful, fragile, and alive. A reminder that our planet is far more extraordinary than we often realize.
And that some of the greatest wonders on Earth are still waiting to be discovered.